Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method with you which you can get started with today. It's absolutely free to get with, and the best part about this is you can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. There's no limitations to this. It'll all come down to how much time and effort you're going to put into this. And look, if you like making money online or you're looking to earn money online, go over to my blog. There's a link down below and you can come over here and look, there's lots of resources on here for you. We've got making money online, we've got YouTube blogging tips and lots more. So let's jump into today's video. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about this over here. Now this is known as CPA marketing. So you may have heard of affiliate marketing, which is whereby you recommend a product or a service to somebody. If they purchase that product or service, then you earn a commission for doing so. It's an awesome way to make money online. I've got a free affiliate marketing course if you want to check that out. Again, link in for you. But CPA marketing is a little bit different. So what happens with this for earn money for collecting somebody's email, for giving things away for free, and getting onto like a Facebook page, sharing something on social media, and lots more. So CPA marketing is a great way and an easy way to make money online. So this website here is called offervault.com. Now on here you can find thousands of products and different trials and things people can opt into and many more over on this website. This is like a main hub for CPA offers, and I'm just on the home page here, so now I don't want to log in. So if I come down here, look, you don't even have to create an account for this. You can just come over to offervault.com and I'll give you some examples here. So you can filter this down via networks if you want, offers on mobile, pay-per-call, and also traffic sources. But look, let's just start right at the beginning and go really simple with this. So I'm going to come down here. These are the offer names, and you can, if we go up here, look, you can filter this via, click on here. If you click the if you type anything in here, you can search for particular offers if you wanted to. You can go into categories, you can go into countries and other bits available. So, but let me just come down here and share with you an example. So look at this one here, PS4 FIFA 20. This here, you're 49 cents, and the type here, see this where it says type? This is CPL. So this means cost per leads. This is in the category sweepstakes and surveys. And then over here where it says network, this is the affiliate network which are running this campaign here. So if you just click on here, it opens up a new tab. And this is the tab that is opened here. So it's this PS4 FIFA 20. It's a sweepstake. And this is currently available in Belgium and France. And what do people have to do in order for you to earn 49 cents? Subscribe and get the new FIFA 2020 plus a +4. Just answer a few questions and won. So it's basically, you're getting people to go over this landing page here. They're putting a couple of questions. They could potentially win a PS4 by looking at this, and also a copy of the FIFA game. And everyone who goes over there and fills that in, you can earn 49 cents. So let's come back over here and let's have a look at a few more. So I'll come down here. And look, not only will I show you this, I'll share with you how you would drive traffic to this, because this is the easy part, just going through and finding these different products that are available. So let's go a little bit further down. Keep coming down. What's this here? E-commerce, cool fee. So you get $21 per lead for this. Sugar beets, iPhones. Oh, this is over in this country. Let's go. I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's go up to the top. Let's go up to the top and let's type something in. So let's go into categories. So we've got, look at this, as seen on TV. So you can find products which have been on TV and you can share them. But let's go for something really simple. So let's go into baby and family. You can normally find something within this category here where someone's giving something away for free, or where you give it away for free and you can earn per lead. So let's come further down the page here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to here as well. I'm going to click on payout and change this to the lowest first. No, it's not done it. It's just put it into percentages. Sorry, I thought if I clicked on it, oh, here we go. Look at this. Sale. So look at this. Payout, what is this? Product testing, baby samples. Here's one here. Look, your baby club. Win baby freebies in the UK. You will earn $1. And this is over on this website here called Max Bounty. Max Bounty is a great platform that you can use to find these different CPA offers. But look at this here, look. This is it. So your baby club, win baby freebies. This is in the UK. Category baby and family freebie. You'll earn $1. Convert on a first page submit. So basically what happens here is you sign up here onto this max bounty, click your join network, it takes you over to their page, and what happens is people put in their name, their email, and they'll answer a couple of questions, and once they submit that page, you see here, converts on a first page submit. So you earn $1 for every single person who you can send over to this page here to win some baby stuff basically. If you come down here, you can read a little bit more about the network. But this here is a great way to go ahead and earn some really simple money. So like this one here, if you are, we're a baby club. So if you decided on running this promotion and this offer here, so you're trying to get people to put in the name and the email to win some goodies down here, how would you do this? So we'll just skip forward. So we'll pretend that we've got this product here and we're going to try and drive traffic to this. And for everyone who puts in their name and their email, we earn $1. So how would you do it? There's a number of ways that you could do this. The easiest one I can think of off the top of my head is you would go into Facebook groups, you would join some Facebook groups and you'd start chatting with people, and then you'd simply drop a link to this within the Facebook group. Another way that you could do this, you could actually create your own Facebook group about baby freebies, or you could sign up to a number of these different giveaways where they're giving, you can have all of these different freebies, and you could create a Facebook group that way. You can join other people's Facebook groups. You could create a Facebook page and actually start running traffic to this. That's one offer for you. Another way, you could go onto Twitter and share this content on Twitter. You could create a blog, a website, many more different ways that you could do this. If you really wanted, you could create a YouTube channel and share content around that way. And another website that you could use for this would be Pinterest, because stuff like this would convert really well on Pinterest. So let's go and have a look at this on Pinterest. So let me just get rid of this. But like, whilst I'm going over to Pinterest, this example down the PlayStation, you'd go and find gamers and literally drop links to this. So, if you're interested in winning the new PlayStation 4 or the PlayStation FIFA, or clearly I'm not a gamer, but if you was to join these gaming groups and put that link in there, then you could earn an affiliate commission from doing so. And please don't just join groups and spam your links, because you'll get in trouble for this. I mentioned have conversations with people and interact that way. But if I come over here onto Facebook, onto Pinterest, let's just go and type in the search bar. Just click on here. I'm going to type in baby freebies. Sorry, let me just get rid of this. Let's just click on all pins. Look at this, how to get free baby stuff. Legit baby freebies you should claim. So let's just have a look at this one here, for example. But you can see people are actually doing this method, what I'm telling you today. Look at this, 11 free baby boxes. So let's go and have a look at this. So this is sending somebody over to a blog. And look, you can create a blog for free if you wanted to. You can do that over on blogger.com. You can do it on Wix, WordPress. There's lots of these. But you don't just have to create a blog. You can literally create these pins and send them directly over there. But this website here, God, they've got a lot of ads on here, so it's running slow. How do I get free diapers? So scroll down. Look, they've got links here to different freebies that you can find. So this is just, let me just come out of here, look, baby samples. But let me just click on the back button. So you can see on here, people are giving away these freebies on here. Look, 14 companies that send free baby stuff. So you could go onto Pinterest, create an account for free, and you could base it around, giveaways, competitions. You could make it very specific, very niche if you wanted to. And literally create your pin here using Canva. Go over to Canva, create one of these free pins, upload it onto Pinterest, and then simply put in your affiliate link. So these are a number of ways that you can drive traffic to this. Now look, if you want a resource and a full course step-by-step to go ahead and learn how to do CPA marketing properly, there's a link below. It'll take you over to this product which I purchased and reviewed probably about 6 months ago. And this basically walks you through the whole process from start to finish, and there was also included a case study inside of here, and it showed you how the creators earned $298 in a day using CPA marketing. So this is the course or the resource for you. If you want to go ahead and check out, there's a link down below. From memory, I think it's about $12 or $13, something like that. But overall, it's pretty in-depth, and it'll walk you through everything you need to know and what you don't need to know. It also covers Facebook marketing. It shows you different campaigns. It shows you organic traffic, free traffic, and also paid traffic as well. And there's lots of case studies and testimonials in here for you. So feel free, there's a link down below. Go ahead and check that out. I included some bonuses if you pick it up as well. So that's today's video. That is basically how you can make money online using something called CPA marketing. So I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below for me. But thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.